Hello friends, हम आज आए हैं लालबाग और you can see the view over here. This looks so beautiful. This looks like a bed sheet of flowers, isn't it? And look at this huge giant tree. So let's go. We have very good view from here and we have started early in the morning at 7. Let's see what we get. This is also so beautiful. You can see the sunrise also. Yeah. So we are heading forwards. A lot of people have come here for walk and jog because this place is really nice early in the morning, and if you really want to get rid of the hustle